I just found a super simple dropshipping store that's currently making over $7 million every single month. And in this video, I'm going to be revealing everything behind this business. Today, I'll be revealing the exact website that they sell their products on, the landing page they use, the products they're selling, and there's only 3 products on this store. I'll be revealing the exact product and where you can buy it on AliExpress. We'll be going over their ad accounts, their winning ad creatives, and at the end of the video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can replicate this business for yourself. You're going to want to stay tuned because I'll be revealing everything behind the scenes of this brand. Real quick, before we get into the video, I want to quickly mention that I'm giving away this MacBook Air. All you have to do is go down to the description below to enter. There's going to be a link where you can sign up. It's completely free to enter, so I'll be picking the winner around August. You've got a pretty good chance of winning because I don't have that many subscribers. So make sure to go down below and sign up for the giveaway. Like I said, it's completely free. It's in the description below. Pause the video, go check it out. And without further ado, let's take a look at this $7 million dropshipping store. So here I have the store pulled up on Shop Hunter. As you guys can see, $6.8 million in sales this month. This week they've done $1.2 million, and today alone they've done over $175,000 in sales. It's safe to say that whoever's running this brand is financially free, and they definitely don't have to work a 9-to-5. If we take a look here, you can see that their sales have been pretty consistent. Holy crap, $300 days, all throughout this month. This store is absolutely crazy. On their low days, they do 100,000 in sales, and it's all through Facebook ads, which is also really interesting. Craziest part about this dropshipping store is that they only have 3 products. Here's their website. As you can see, it's a $400 laser hair removal device. On Shop Hunter, they show you the products. They've got one that's priced at $400, another one priced at $350, and the cheapest one is $300. Even though these are only about 50 bucks on AliExpress, they mark up these products like crazy, but that's what you have to do to make a profit with e-commerce. So as you guys can see, super nice website. They've got everything that you can have here. It looks like the Apple website. Let me just show you guys down here. There's a video we can watch to show you. Oh, let's take a look. Wow, that's very fancy video, and it zaps your hair off. Wow, that looks pretty good. Keep on scrolling and you've got these super duper high quality images. I have a suspicion that this is someone affiliated with Frankie Shaw. If you guys know who that is, he runs a program called Future Group, and this is basically what his landing pages look like. So I'm interested in knowing if that's correct or not. Next gen ice cooling technology, 4 power modes for hair to toe removal. So yeah, they've got a crazy website. They've got some amazing reviews here. Check it out. Her armpit hair, it's completely gone. They're selling these products for super high ticket. But where can you get it? Well, check it out. The exact product that they're selling right here, the You Like Air Plus. Let's check it out on their website. $309 for this thing, and it's literally on AliExpress for what, $38. The markup on this is crazy. I mean, you can see the product doesn't even look very high quality. They definitely used this variant to test the product, and then once they validated it, they decided to go with their own custom one, which is really smart. That's of course what any e-com brand owner should do, make a proprietary product after you validate that it's a winner. And on Shop Hunter, we can see here that it's $300, but how much did they make with this one? This month, this product generated almost $1 million, 832,000, and we can see that. So if you guys are interested in tracking your own websites and learning about the data and analytics behind them, make sure to check out Shop Hunter. I'll leave a link in the description below. So let's move on to their ad strategy. You could pick up this product and start running it, but the problem is you don't have the data that they have. You don't have the experience that they have running this product, and you don't have the ad creatives that they use. So anyone could just pick up this product and start selling it, right? Obviously, if it's $38 on AliExpress and $300 on this website, they make $800,000 a month selling this product. Why can't you get a piece of the pie? Well, because you don't have the data and you don't have the winning creative. So the best thing we can do is try to reverse engineer their success and take a look at what they're doing. Here's their Facebook ad account. As you can see, they have over 300 active ads right now, which is absolutely crazy. They've got a ton of UGC creators here. Every single video looks like it's a different person. So they must have reached out to hundreds of creators for this. As you can see, tons of content here. They've got photo ads, video ads, absolutely everything. Let's take a look at one of these videos here, maybe one of the ones that looks a little bit interesting. Here we go. Wow, here's another one. So as you guys can see, they're using humor here. Everyone has the problem of having hair. Nobody wants hair. This is just a really expensive way to get your hair to go away. Their ads are kind of funny, actually. It's actually kind of funny. And they actually do have something innovative with this product. So I guess maybe this is more of an e-commerce example and less drop shipping, but you can see that it's pretty much the same product. All they said is, hey, supplier, can you put another light bulb in there? And now they have the first ever laser hair removal with 2 light bulbs. Holy crap, it's 2 times as effective. Well, no way. So guys, that's pretty much it for this brand overview. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure to check out the description to enter the giveaway for the MacBook Air. Check out Shop Hunter if you want to gather data about your own dropshipping stores and find your own winning products. And with that being said, guys, subscribe to the video, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.